What's up YouTube, welcome back to yet another video. So today's video is obviously we're going to install some gas struts to the bonnet because I'm so tired of holding that bonnet up every time to put the little stick in. I think it's old school, so come down to TP Smart Repairs. You guys are quite familiar with Tommy and his crew, so gonna go get that installed quickly. It's a very simple job. It's not, it doesn't take like, it's not that hard. I think Tommy's done one side already. I'm gonna go in and see him. I just ran to the shop quick. But yeah, let's just get in there and see what he's doing and how he's doing it, and at least then hopefully it helps you guys. So let's go in. And there's Tommy. Obviously you've all met Tommy, you know what he does, you know what he's like. He's just doing some stuff on his beautiful bike. This is Tommy's bike. So anything bike related, Tommy could probably give you a hand. He's quite the clued up dude with this. He's just got a new exhaust on that, by the way. It's looking nice, Tommy.
It's a bit dirty. Yeah, it's been parked up for a little while. I just had to do a new battery on it, and I've set up the quad lock self-charging. So we're going on bike rides. We're going to Italy later on in the year, so we'll be able to.
That looks cool.
Put that on and put the lithium-ion battery charger on it as well. So where it's in storage, it can just be on.
That's Dolly.
So Mike is in with us today. He wants to do these gas strut conversion to the Scirocco. Come on.
Come solo, Dolly. Good girl.
To do that, there's only a couple of tools you need, and we're just going to run through them with you quickly. And I will go through it all with Mike, and Mike can actually show you himself how it's done. So Mike has supplied these new gas struts, and it's quite simple. All you need is a pick, a 40 Torx, and a 10mm socket. 2 spanners, a 13 and a 12. One is for the big 13 and the other one's for the little 10mm. The reason why you take them out is because you have to replace them with these ball joints or rose joints to fit into these. And that is as simple as it is.
Don't forget the important lube, Tommy. Everything needs lube.
Yeah, you do need a little bit of that just to stop things from rusting up, because these are stainless and it'll be going into steel, so we do like to put a little bit of grease on it just to make sure everything's all right. So we have one already done, and I will quickly show you how it's all put together.
Did that myself, by the way, boys, the other day. Brand new, replaced that. So, Tommy's done the one side already. That looks sick. Yeah, that looks so much better, man.
Yeah, so we're just replacing one of the bonnet original bolts with another bolt that's here. And it's as simple as that. Taking out a wing bolt that's down here. Bear with me 1 second. So yeah, it's probably about a half an hour job, and it's quite simple. Once you have all the right tooling for it, it's quite easy. So we're going to take out this bolt here. Then we're just going to take out this little 10mm wing bolt, and replace it with the other two that I showed you earlier, with washers. Make sure you do have the washers on it. Cool. And that's pretty much it. It's as simple as that.
Let's do it. You want me to do it?
Yeah, I showed you one.
See, Tommy wants me to do it now. Right, we need... Nope.
What's that you're using there, Mike?
What is this, a 10mm? 10mm socket. Get this little bad boy off. So when I bought these parts, they didn't fit. So these little like ball joint things, they didn't actually fit in there. So because this was too big. So I don't know why they sent this massive unit. This is what they send you, 2 of them. This clearly doesn't fit in there, which was really annoying because you can see the size of that, and look at the size of that, like totally different. So that goes in there, but they send you 4 of them, so it's not going to go in there. So I had to buy 2 new ones off eBay, which is that, and that fits. So put that bad boy in there.
Where's your grease, Mike?
Do we need grease in the bottom of these too?
Yeah.
See, Tommy's telling me off now.
Kids.
And also, you're supposed to be wearing gloves. I don't wear gloves. Don't ever wear gloves. There we go. All nice. This thing's just a money pit, this car's. Money pit. Absolute money pit. Righto. Think it's me. Okay, that's not going anywhere. Do little trick without having to get your hands dirty. That's it, just bring it around. It's all greased up. Nice. Right.
What's the next tools we're going to use, Mike?
13 mil. So 13 mil. Guys, be careful of this. Don't scratch the panel here. I did that side there. It's so close. So just be careful. Just give it a bit of it. It is quite tight, but yeah, I loosened it up quite quickly because I go to the gym, you know. This doesn't cause problems with alignment of the bonnet, does it, Tommy?
No, because we're only actually loosening one of the bolts. If you were to crack open the top one ever so slightly, it would throw the alignment out.
Okay.
It wouldn't take an awful long time to realign it, but it's just more hassle than what it's worth. And it is always the bottom bolt you go for with the gas struts.
Got you. I bet this has never been removed since this thing's been bought, this car's been made.
Now it is quite clean,
Okay.
and you can actually see none of the bolts have been tampered with before.
Right, again, before I get told off, more grease. Bastard. Thank you, Squire. Okay. I think so.
That's it.
Hey.
A little bit of grease on that, and then that is pretty much it.
Okay. Right, Tommy, do you want to do this little bit?
Yeah, and the reason why we... do you want to take that? Use the pick. Sometimes if you do put it on, and you can't actually get it back off again, the pick is for this. See how there's two little tabs there? You just have to slide that over. Just push that over, just a little bit. This one's already been done. If you want to pop it
Right,
on
let me
the-
go to this side.
To get this on, do that, and push. This one, twist that around, and push.
Wait.
And that is pretty much it. The only thing what we're going to have to do with this is these two little rubber bushes here. We're going to have to take a little groove out, just so the bonnet closes a little bit nicer. Take two, because Mike actually pressed stop on his camera.
Didn't.
He did. So, going back to where we were. So we've just fitted the gas strut. Now what I'm going to show you about the bonnet stand.
Oh, yes.
It's free holding itself.
Get that piece of shit off.
And this,
Use that as my walking stick when I'm walking in the mountains.
to get this bonnet stand out, take it out of its original holding, and then just bring the bonnet stand to you. Because it's in an S shape,
There we go.
just pop straight back out. And that is pretty much it. We're going to test fit on how the bonnet closes. And that's it done.
Sick. Sick. So it closes, no issues. I like it. Please work, please work. Fingers crossed, guys, fingers crossed.
That's it.
Sick. So it actually works.
Yep, all done.
Love it, Tommy, absolutely love it. Thank you for doing that.
No problem at all, Mike. You done most of the work.
Right guys, so there you have it. It's done, it's finished. I need to grease it up a little bit, put some lube. I'm gonna put some lube on here, just a little bit, so it's smooth and it runs better. But I just wanted to show you a little bit of Tommy's work. So this is all carbon, all done by Tommy, and it looks absolutely incredible. Look at this. How nice are all these panels? I don't even know what they're for. It must be like a kit car or something. I don't even know what they're for, but it just looked wicked. And as I walked in, I saw this and I was like, this is amazing. What is this for, Tommy?
So there's a mixture. The trims, they're all off of a K-trim.
Right.
These are K-trim dashes. So this is one that a customer has asked
that
for.
is amazing.
All his clocks and dials and stuff like that. And then a full race spec one where the customer is going to cut it up himself to where he wants it to go, where he wants a clock maybe here, something small. These are all done to the customer's specifications. These here are little chin spoilers off of a Vauxhall VX220. These are the turbo ears. They also do the inserts.
Nice. That's really nice.
You can get them in a black printed plastic, 3D printed plastic for those, and they come in fiberglass as well, and you can get them in gloss back. And bezel for your clock surround on a Vauxhall VX220. That's for that. And then this is the shroud. They also do the indicator stalks and everything else, but these go together just like so. So this is a complete
amazing.
shroud for another Vauxhall VX220.
That is
These
cool.
are all available. I'll give Mike the link for these. It's a company called Ultimate Carbon. They do everything for all your kit cars, Lotuses and stuff like that. We also do them in satin finishes as well. We had a load last week that we done in gloss black as well for the customer. So
Nice. It looks absolutely incredible, Tommy.
yeah, it is nice.
Really, really good. I like
these do
them.
come to us in a raw carbon state, similar to this, and then we make it look like that.
Looks amazing. Look at that. Well, good. Thanks, Tommy.
You're welcome.
Cool.
It's just another doorway to open up and see what kind of lifeline will be waiting there for me. I need to bury all these fears and let them fade away. I'm not scared, I'm prepared to find myself again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end. I'll rise up from the ashes, I wanna burn again. I'll find my way through the bitterness I'm feeling. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing. I'm still healing.
Right, guys. So I'm gonna end the video there. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to give you an update quickly on the car. So I can't take the car to Arctic Tuning to get a remap, unfortunately. Stage 2 on a KO3 gives them a bit of issues, I assume. It just gives them some problems. Where KO4, obviously, it just takes the punishment, doesn't it? And the car comes with all the performance parts it needs. So I'm going to end the video there, guys, but the next one will be at a company called Quantum Tuning. Is a friend of mine that's going to do the remap on the car, so that is going in on 21st, so I'll film all that, put a video together and you guys can see it, and you can see what numbers we can get. I want a before and after as it is, and then straight afterwards on once the map's in stage 2 and just see what we get. Appreciate all your love and support, guys. Stay safe, stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button. Catch you guys later. Peace.